From Tampa Bay's streaming news leader, brought to you by AlertTodayFlorida.com, this is ABC Action News.
Thank you for joining us. I'm Isabel Rosales. Rain is on the way, meaning Bucs fans may have to plan ahead. Jason has Florida's most accurate forecast in just a moment. But first, here are your ABC Action News Now headlines. A mother desperate to get her son home after his father took him out of the country. Now she's preparing to meet with members of Congress. Rochelle Smith leaves very early Sunday morning to Washington, D.C., hoping she can get answers in her fight to get her little boy back. Rochelle has not spoken to her son Dexter since September. We first told you about the story back in August when she stood downtown telling us Dexter's father abducted him, taking him to Lebanon. Now she says she will attend a subcommittee hearing with Congress for international child abduction on Monday. The remains of a Florida woman killed in Costa Rica are back in Florida. Carla Stefaniak's brothers and close friend arriving at Tampa International Airport last night. They spent several agonizing days searching for her until earlier this week when Costa Rican authorities announced someone violently killed her. They arrested a security guard in this case. Her family and friends say their top priority now is honoring Carla. The first of its kind Crystal Lagoon is finally open in Wesley Chapel. ABC Action News was the first to tell you back in June when Pasco County stopped the project because the developer didn't have the proper permits. The managing director told us those issues have been resolved. Crystal Lagoon is only open for residents. The company says it may be open to the public sometime in 2019. Another shakeup in the cabinet. Chief of Staff John Kelly will leave his position by end of this year. President Trump telling reporters outside the White House that a replacement will be named, possibly on an interim basis. Sources tell ABC News the leading pick is Vice President Pence's Chief of Staff Nick Ayers. Now let's head over to meteorologist Jason Adams. And Jason, you're eyeing some rain here.
Yeah, it looks like tomorrow morning into the afternoon, a cold front's going to arrive here in west central Florida, and with it, a line of showers and thunderstorms between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. expected to move through. Now, the timing on this in and around Tampa, of course, for the Bucs game, where so many of you are going to be at Ray J, the best timing looks to be between 10 and 1 o'clock. Hopefully by 1 p.m. as we get the first quarter underway, we'll start to see the rain really pushing to our south and east, at least the heaviest part of it. I still think some afternoon showers are going to be possible, but the heaviest should wrap up at least at Ray J by 1 o'clock. Temperatures are going to stay into the low to mid 70s, and then behind the front going into Monday and Tuesday, we'll see another shot of some much cooler air than what we've had over the weekend. Isabel?
Jason, thanks. And don't forget, you can get news updates all day long on your favorite streaming device. And remember to download our free ABC Action News app. Have a good one.
Visibility while driving at night can be challenging for drivers, and their failure to see pedestrians is often fatal. In Florida, 75% of pedestrian fatalities occur at night. Many drivers say they never saw the pedestrian. What will it take to see them? Can you see him now? Drivers, look for pedestrians, especially at night. Pedestrians, make sure you are visible. Alert tonight, alive tomorrow. Because safety doesn't happen by accident.